Hey guys! So, I want to teach you E major. E major is one that I remember like this. Can you plug your nose? Can you plug your nose like this? Plug it with your thumb and your second finger. Now do it with your other hand. Plug your nose. Oh my goodness. Okay. When we are playing E major, you're going to wonder, why are we doing this? I have a point, I promise. E major. Can you plug the B flat? Just wrap your thumb and your second finger around that B flat and give it a squeeze. That is the silly way I remember the fingering for E major. So E major is a really balanced, sharp scale, and it's the best way, in my opinion, to learn how to play with your right hand and left hand together with the C major standard fingering. Like the standard scale fingering feels really balanced in E major because we have two sets of black notes. We have two sets of black notes kind of together, right? We have these two together. We have these two together. And then in the middle, we have this plugged B flat, okay? Where in the right hand, you've got 1 and 2 surrounding the B flat, sorry. Okay, so we are not playing B flat in this scale. We're just plugging it, okay? Thumb and second finger are surrounding the B flat in the right hand and in the left hand, okay? So that's my funny way of remembering the fingering, that like if you just kind of think like, okay, these two are surrounding the B flat and then all the rest of the fingers, they just really kind of fall into place onto the black notes. And it feels really balanced, really natural in the like the shape of the fingers. You have really great technique with that nice high arch of the knuckles and everything when you're playing E major, and it's an easy scale for you to put your hands together with. Now, I don't want you to put your hands together yet. I want you to learn how to play it first, okay? Learn how to play with your right hand, learn how to play it with your left hand. But kind of pay attention to that silly plug your nose idea and notice that with both hands, your thumbs aren't together, your second fingers aren't together, they're actually opposite. So A, B, okay? But it feels balanced because they're kind of like, I don't know. Is this making any sense? All right, so we have, see right here, we're plugging that nose, plugging that B flat. I'm such a silly piano teacher. Say, Michelle Sweeney is a very silly piano teacher. She tells me I have to plug the B flat. All right, so learning your right hand by itself, you're just going to do the standard fingering, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 sharps, okay? We start on E. We have 2 sharps here, and then a thumb crossing. Okay, the thumb crossing is on the A with the right hand, okay? And then second finger on B. Now notice that your thumb and your second finger are surrounding this B flat. You could plug the nose of the B flat right there, okay? That's how you kind of get your place, okay? And then we have 2 black notes, which you're going to play with your middle finger and your 4th finger. At this point, your thumb goes under. Your thumb gets to play E. So that's the fingering and the notes for E major right hand. 1, 2, 3. Cross that thumb underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming back down, we start on E with 5th finger, and then we come down. 4, 3, 2, 1, cross. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. fun, it's easy, it feels really natural. Just remember that your thumb plays A in the right hand. In the left hand, your thumb plays B. So your thumbs don't play in the same place in the middle of the octave. They take turns, okay? Right hand is on A, left hand thumb is on B. They're not playing at the same time, but they kind of feel really nice when you start to put them together. And you'll maybe experience this. Okay, so let's start at the top with the left hand on E, thumb on E, E, D sharp, C sharp. So we do 1, 2, 3. Now thumb comes on B, okay? And that's a different note than the thumb comes in the right hand, okay? 1, 2, 3, then thumb. Now plug the nose, okay? So plug that B flat. Both of these white notes that are next to each other, it's the only place there are white notes next to each other in the scale because there are so many black notes. Both of these white notes next to each other surround the B flat, and they're both played with both hands with 1s and 2s, okay? But the 1s are on opposite sides of the B flat, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So start again at B. So we have 1 on B, 2 on A, 3 on G sharp, and 4 on F sharp. Now, cross that thumb underneath. E. 2 black notes. 2, 3. Cross your thumb on B with the left hand. Second finger on A while your right hand's playing thumb on A, okay? And then 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Pinky gets to play at the very end. Yay. Okay, coming back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll it over. 3, 2, 1. Now roll the 4 over. 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll the 3 over. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. All right. That's a little bit of me being very silly about E major scale.